Ever ask AI to explain something? And get this? Quantum physics is the study of matter and energy. Snooze. Now try. You're a kindergarten teacher. Explain quantum physics. Boom. Tiny particles that act like magic confetti. That's prompt debugging, and it's your key to unlocking better, clearer, smarter responses from AI. Let's fix AI's worst takes and make it work for you. According to Google's prompt engineering manual, most failures happen because 1. Your prompt is too vague. 2. You ask too much at once. 3. There's no structure or examples. Today, I'll show you how to debug any prompt using step-back prompting, chain of thought, COT, structured output, self-consistency, fixing a vague prompt, customer service example, bad prompt, is this email important? AI says, maybe, debugged prompt, classify as important or not, step by step. 1. Urgency. 2. Actionable. 3. Final verdict. Email. I found a bug on your website. Let me know if you want details. AI responds, bug equals critical offers more info. Verdict, important. Technique, use chain of thought. Force AI to explain why. Use role prompting plus examples. Content creation. Bad, write a blog post on retro games. AI, retro games are fun. Pac-Man, Tetris. Snooze, debugged. Act as a travel guide. Suggest 3 themes. Example, 90s arcade mechanics, forgotten NES gems. AI responds, 1. How 8-bit graphics taught us logic. 2. Top 5 SNES games that deserve remakes. Technique, add role plus examples to trigger creativity. Improve clarity, marketing caption. Bad, write a TikTok caption for eco toothbrushes. AI, buy our toothbrush. Debugged, use humor. Example, Java Joy, coffee for people who hate mornings. AI output, clean teeth, clean planet. Fresh breath, zero plastic guilt. Technique, use few-shot prompting. Show it how to think. Simplify complex stuff. Student use case. Prompt, explain quantum physics like a kindergarten teacher. AI, quantum physics is when tiny particles appear and disappear, like magic Legos. Technique, use role prompting plus KOT to remove jargon. Debugging strategy breakdown. Here's your prompt debugger toolkit. Step-back prompting. Ask AI to define the task before answering. Chain of thought. Let's think step by step. Structured output. Ask for JSON, tables, bullet points. Self-consistency. Run it 3x, compare results. Example, explain this review. This movie was boring. AI uses boring and slow. Verdict, negative. Demo, debugging a live prompt. Prompt, classify this email. I found a bug in your site. Let's think step by step. AI, 1. Bug equals urgency. 2. Wants to help equal action. Verdict, important. Result, smarter, more accurate classification. Outro and challenge. Your turn. Try this. Fix this vague prompt. Write a joke about taxes. Drop your debugged version in the comments. I'll feature the best ones next episode. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and grab your debugging prompt template from the description. Next week, we'll teach AI to write in your voice, no matter your writing style. Prompt engineering is the skill of the future. Let's master it, one fix at a time.